This mom went from $50 to $244,701 per month selling simple how-to-draw books on Amazon. Here's her exact formula. Emma published nearly 20 titles over 18 months and barely made $200 monthly. Then she discovered something huge. Parents were desperate for screen-free activities that actually worked. But most drawing books frustrated kids instead of helping them. So Emma cracked what she calls the easy win system. Step-by-step drawings designed to give children quick victories. Her first book using this method hit #1 on Amazon's bestseller list, selling over 2,000 copies daily. The secret? She reverse engineered how professional art teachers actually teach drawing. But here's the problem. Until now, AI couldn't replicate this teaching method. Standard AI models would randomly change faces, add extra legs, or turn simple sketches into complex paintings. We solved this by developing 323 specialized prompts that force AI to maintain perfect consistency across These aren't random prompts. They're engineered specifically for the paid Gemini Advanced model, giving you the same consistency code Emma discovered. Stop wasting time with saturated niches or broken AI tools. Get instant access to all 323 proven prompts and start creating your own best-selling drawing books today.